have a green light and a thumbs up. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 19 officially underway here at the New England Robotics Derby. We've got notes being scored for either alliance. 63-28 getting one up and off the backboard for the Blue Alliance. 40-41 of Red lining themselves up for a shot. Can they get it out and in? Looks like they won't. Blue Alliance is going to take the early advantage of a score of 24-5 as we move into our teleoperated period. This time students are going to take control of their machines instead of the code. 190 fighting for those middle line notes as they make their way over to the Blue Alliance feed station to retrieve one from their human player. Their partners 1474, the Titans, have quite the stash in front of the Blue Alliance speaker. Can they make it? Can they make the most of it? 63-28 is going to drop one into the amplifier as their partners 190 launch one out of the stadium. Back on the Red Alliance side of the field, 40-41 seems to be hanging out underneath the Red Alliance stage. Their partners, the Quarks, making short work of the leftover notes from the autonomous period for Red, making their way on over, lining themselves up against that subwoofer. Are they going to release their note? They're lining it up. And off the backboard it goes. That's okay. They'll have another chance to get it. Blue Alliance just finishes an amplification period and extends their lead up to 30 points. Mechanical advantage, sending those frisbees from one side to the other like it's nobody's business. Back on over to their partners in waiting. 190 sends it into the back of the Blue Alliance speaker, making that count for 2 points. Red Alliance robot of 97, the Bionic Beef, seems to be hanging out into the Red Alliance feed station, awaiting their human players to drop off some notes to return them back on over to be scored for Red. Blue Alliance is amplified. They've got plenty of notes hanging out in front of their speaker. Let's see how many they can get. Currently, they're at 1. That is worth 5 points. 1474 trying to get another one in, but they were blocked by their partners, 190. They'll be moving around them as Blue Alliance still maintains that lead of a score of 56-11 with less than a minute left to go here. Red Alliance trying to play a little bit of catch-up as best they can. The Bionic Beef is going to start playing some defense on 63-28, attempting to slow them down as best as possible. They're making them take the long way around all the way back to this Blue Alliance side. One goes up and in. More mechanical advantage. Red Alliance is going to answer back with one of their own. Red Alliance is going to amplify. The Quarks are going to try to make the most of it. They've got 5 points on the dime. Can they make it more? 1474 of the Blue Alliance is going to be the first to climb on stage. 190 is going to join them. Human players are unleashing their high notes as we wind down this match here in 3, 2, 1, and time expires. Looks like we've got 3 blue robots up in the air, a couple for Red potentially. We're going to turn it over to your referees, and we'll be back with the results of match number 19 in just a moment. Well, you've got your scores coming up on the board for match number 19. It's going to be the Blue Alliance taking the win with a score of 71-19. Blue Alliance is going to walk home with 3 ranking points, 2 for the win and 1 for the melody. We'll be back with qualification match number 20 in just a moment.